Here is the quickest way to get a privacy and security check of Chrome. So let's get started. First, open Chrome and click on the three dots which are on the top right, and then go to Settings. Once you're in Settings, click on Privacy and Security, and here Chrome has two checks that you should go through. So we'll start off with a safety check. So just click on Go to Safety Check, and this is an overall view of your security in Chrome. So currently, they don't have any safety recommendations for us, which is good, or else you'll see options over here and you can fix them from here. Then on top, they have three options. One is related to passwords. Second is to ensure your Chrome is up to date. And third is related to safe browsing. I'll show you each one of these quickly. So if I click on this, then here they've gone through my passwords and found that one is weak. And if you have any unique passwords or compromised passwords, then all of that will come up in this list. The second option is just to check if you have the latest version of Chrome. And the third option is safe browsing. So if you click on this, I currently have enhanced safe browsing, but there are two other options like standard protection or no protection. So if you're on one of these, then they'll recommend you to come to enhanced protection or at least standard protection, since this protects you from harmful sites. So this was the first quick checkup, and for the second one, we'll again go back. And on this page, we'll click on Privacy Guide. So again, this is a quick walkthrough where they'll show you some important privacy settings. So just click on Next. So the first option is if you want your searches and visited sites to get stored with Chrome. So the advantage is that it will load sites faster since they have some information of your history. But at the same time, you're giving this information to Chrome. So if you don't want this, you can just disable this, then click on Next. Then here is if you want to sync your Chrome history. So when this is on, then all your history will be synced on devices so that no matter which device you log in with, you'll get all your searches. But again, they save all this information to your Google account. So if you want to disable this, just click on this option. Then the third option is safe browsing. So we had covered this in the safety check, but these are the two options that you should select, and preferably enhanced protection. Then click on Next. So here there are two options. If you only want to block it in incognito or block it all the time. So if you only block it in incognito, then when you visit sites normally in Chrome, then they'll store cookies, which could be some small information like the last time you signed in or remember items from your shopping cart. But if you don't want to allow this, and you don't want your sites to have any cookies, then select this option and click on Next. After that, they have two more privacy features that we'll quickly go through. One is Add Privacy, and second is Web and App Activity. Just click on these buttons to go there. So in Add Privacy, they have three options. So click on the first option. And this is if you want to get personalized ads based on your recent browsing history. So you can just disable this if you don't want it. Then the second option is Site Suggested Ads. So here, based on your activity on a website, they'll again suggest ads. But again, they're getting some information about you. So if you don't want this, you can disable this. And the third option is Ad Measurement. So this allows sites to see how their ads perform when you interact with them. So again, if you don't want to give this information, just disable it. And now all are switched off. So this is everything to do with ads. And now coming to the second option, which is activity controls. So currently, web and app activity is on, and they've said that this helps to get a more personalized experience. But if you don't want to give this information, you can just click on Turn Off. Then there are two options, to just turn it off or turn it off and delete all the activity which they have stored with them. So now I can click on Turn Off and Delete Activity, and then just click on Next. Over here they've said what all will get deleted. So they have information from Google Ads, Google Analytics. Just click on Next. Then here's an example of the activity that will get deleted. And if you're fine with this, just click on Delete. And now everything has gone. So this was a quick check of safety and privacy settings in Chrome. And I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.